Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 240 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about noticing small joys, the little moments that brighten your day when you pause to see them. Let's begin by taking a slow breath in and gently exhale. Picture one simple joy, maybe sunlight, a kind word, or even this moment of stillness. Let yourself feel gratitude for it. Now, say to yourself, I notice the small joys. They are enough. And this moment matters. Breathe with that gratitude. Carry it with you as a reminder that peace can be found in simple things. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this sense of quiet joy with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.